Hello everyone! Welcome to this Attendo tutorial on the Production Management module. Today, we'll explore how this tool streamlines your production process from planning to execution. In general, the Production Management module is your go-to solution for managing the entire production process. It covers everything from production plans and work requirements to end product reporting and cost analysis. This module also integrates quality control and machine maintenance, ensuring a seamless production operation. In this case, we are diving into the main documents of this module, which are the process plan, defining the ideal steps and processes to be completed for the production of goods, the work requirement, indicating what has to be produced and by what date, and the work effort, recording the work executed by employees during a production shift. Each of these play a crucial role in managing your production efficiently. The production process starts in the Process Plan window. Here, the user enters information about the ideal steps and processes to be completed for the production of an intermediate or finished good, taking into account available resources. As shown here, in this window, the user creates a process plan by entering the required information such as name and conversion rate. This information is the batch size plan to produce. Then, in the Version tab, the user can create different versions of the same plan, valid for a specified time period. In the Operation tab, each stage of the production process is defined by entering a record with a specific activity for that stage. This tab has subtabs with more specific information about each production step, such as in and out products, employees, machines, and indirect costs. Once the process plan is defined, users enter work requirements in the Work Requirement window. These are documents specifically indicating what has to be produced and by what date. To use this window, it is necessary to complete the header, choosing a certain organization, the corresponding process plan, the quantity of batches that the user needs to produce, and the dates of production, and process the work requirement. In this way, users ensure that the process plan is executed the number of times necessary to satisfy the production requirements. In the Operation tab, operations and activities necessary for this work requirement are found and can be edited. In the Product tab, the user can find the in and out products, that means the necessary materials, and the desired resulting products. The Work Requirement window gives the user the possibility of creating a work effort through the Create Work Effort button, as shown in this case. Remember, the work effort is a report of the employee effort for each shift of production. Work efforts are a vital part of the production process since they can be used to calculate the real cost related to the production of a product and to keep track of the remaining effort on work requirements. In this case, this record was created through the Create Work Effort button in the Work Requirement window, as shown previously. The point of this report is to show real information of a completed work requirement for a desired date and time. In this example, the real production process gave as a result 1 as the completed quantity value, and it is with this information that standards are created through the Create Standards button. This process is used to load all the materials and result products information to the work effort, as well as global used products, machines, salary categories, indirect cost, and toolsets. Finally, we validate this record through the Validate Work Effort button. As explained in the pop-up window, validating the work effort updates stock and costs. Here we can see that, in this example, the quantity produced of product 1 was 10. And if we check the corresponding storage bin where the product is stored, we can see the record of this production result. That wraps up our tutorial on the Production Management module. We hope you found this helpful for optimizing your production workflows. For more information, visit the Attendo documentation below. See you in the next video.